Hello and welcome to Cake. It's kind of cold outside, and when it's cold outside I'm in the mood for crafts, so I've decided to create these new cake stands for myself. All of these are made with candle holders and most of these are products of IKEA. Let me show you how you can recreate this. The first design is made of a glass candle holder from IKEA and an IKEA dessert plate. To attach these two components, I use E6000 glue. The instructions are pretty easy. I simply apply a generous amount of E6000 on the candle holder and press the plate on it. To fully attach, the whole thing needs to sit for about 24 to 72 hours. I love the glass and blue effect, and I think this cake stand is ideal for Elsa inspired cakes or Frozen inspired cakes or cupcakes or even cake pops. The next design is my favorite. I love the modern geometric design of this. Again, I'm using a candle holder, and this one I got from Amazon, and a geometric plate from IKEA. What I love about this plate is, of course, that it has a geometric design, but also the size of it. It's pretty big. And what I love is that it's relatively flat, which makes it ideal for a cake. The instructions, again, are really easy for this, with one minor exception. There is a small gap difference between the ring on the candle holder and the flat surface to which the plate needs to attach. To reduce this height gap, I'm applying some felt pads, and then applying a generous amount of E6000 on the whole thing. Then I flip over the plate and press the candle holder against it. What really helped in this case was the logo of IKEA in the middle of the plate that helped me find the center pretty quickly. Now to the final cake stand. For this one, I'm using a candle holder from IKEA again. This one's pretty old, to be honest. What I'm doing is I've decided to decorate this a little bit, so I'm measuring about 5 centimeters from the base of the candle holder and applying some tape around my markings to create a straight edge. Then, because I want to apply some leaf gold to this, I'm applying some glue. This is a special glue for leaf gold, which you can find on Amazon pretty easily. This needs to set for about 20 minutes before I can proceed, so while that's sitting, I'm going to apply the glue on my plate. I'm using a wooden glue here. It might be a bamboo plate, actually, I'm not really sure. I'm applying some of this glue on the edge of the plate, and then I've cut out some stripes of leaf gold and simply pressing that onto these spots where I've applied the glue. This needs to sit for about 2 hours, and then I can brush off the excess. I'm going to apply the same process to the candle holder. I'm gently just pressing on some leaf gold. And then after about 2 hours, just brushing off the excess. There were some spots that hadn't any leaf gold on it, so on those spots I applied some glue on it and just repeated the process. Then I removed the tape and applied some E6000 on the top of the candle holder. What you're seeing here is a previous attempt to do this. I had used a pretty special industrial glue which didn't work properly, so I've scratched that and now I'm doing the same process with E6000, which actually holds really well. Just finding the center of the plate and pressing the candle holder on top of that. Again, this needs to sit for about 24 to 72 hours to fully attach. And while that's attaching, I'm going to show you the other two cake stands because enough time has passed for me to show you how well those stick. Here's the first one. And I was really amazed by the second one because the plate is pretty heavy, so everything's holding really well. And that's it. That's how I passed my time on this cold day. I hope you guys enjoyed these creative ideas. Let me know what you think below by commenting. And I hope you subscribe for more creative ideas and delicious recipes. Thank you for watching, and hopefully see you next time.